Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on Apple daily, weekly, shorter term time frame. So almost looking like a shift is going on in the sense of the technology sector, where we had Apple and Google not participating in a very bullish market day at all today. No follow through after buying the dip off the middle Bollinger Band yesterday. And then we saw the biotech, or I should say the biotech sector was on fire, but the technology laggard Facebook had a very big day. So it almost looked like money was coming out of Google and Apple and going into Facebook, catching that laggard up to the bullish action that the tech sector has been seeing over the past month. Either way, we didn't get follow through for the bulls after that hammer. And it's all about this middle Bollinger Band support, and that's going to be in the mid 115s tomorrow. And we'll be watching that level, because if we lose that support, we are going to be looking down at the low of this consolidation, 114.76, and then down to the 50-day moving average of 112.70. So the bulls are still looking just fine. The weekly chart, again, pointed out the potential of it being a cup and handle pattern. And I'm certainly not going to assume that it's going to be a cup and handle pattern, but we're building normal, healthy consolidation after a bullish 3-week spike here. Bulls are buying the dip this week. So as far as the weekly time frame is concerned, the bulls have nothing to worry about. Just being perhaps a little impatient, saying, why are we not seeing upside when the S&P 500 is almost hitting all-time highs and everybody's green, but Apple is not? Definitely worth noting that pattern, that Apple is not green today when you would expect it would be. But again, bulls still in full control here of Apple. Looking on the shorter term time frames, big bullish move first thing, gave most of it back, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, and then a lower low. So the bear break occurred once this low of 116.05 broke, and then a little bit of a sell-off, not much downside to be had there at the end of the day. But the entire day was just one tightening range reaching an equilibrium, and the hourly time frame for Apple, look at this 200-hour moving average resistance. Rejected the price yesterday, rejected the price multiple times today, but we also bounced off the 20 period multiple times as well. So into tomorrow, we're watching the 20 period support and the 100 and 200 period resistance. The range today was set by those moving averages, and we never broke either one. So definitely a key pattern to be watching into tomorrow as well. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see where we fare with regard to these moving averages. Have a great night.